Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for November 27th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Market cap is at 123 billion, meaning around 6 to 7 billion has come out in the last 24 hours. If we look at the volumes at 18 billion, meaning that we're seeing more than usual volume basically in the market. BTC dominance has declined. It's now at 53%. Now, what is going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is right now hovering at around the 3,700 level. Here on CoinMarketCap, it's saying 3,769. But if we quickly have a look basically on Bitstamp, let's open up the daily chart. We can see basically we are still in a decline mode, and the 3668 is basically right now the bid offer, and if we look at the 3671 is basically so the spread again is gone a little bit higher than you usually see, but the candles are just going lower every day. So there is no end to this at this point of time. As we still look at the RSI, for example, it's oversold, but it's been oversold since the last week basically. So we're still going lower and lower into this space. So let's see how this is going to roll in the coming period. Now let's go back to the market cap and look at the top 10 coins, and you can see Monero is no longer a top 10 because Bitcoin SV is at number 7 right now, trading at $112, 17% up for the day. So Bitcoin SV compared to Bitcoin Cash, which is on number 4, which is basically ABC group, is trading at $188. So although there is a huge decline basically in the top 10 again, we can see new players coming in with Bitcoin SV on number 7. Now let's go quickly through the numbers and have a look at so Ripple's is at 35 cents out of today. Ethereum at 106. It's just getting close to the $100 level, and nobody knows what's going to happen then. Bitcoin Cash at 188, EOS at $3, Stellar at 14 cents, Bitcoin SV $112. Earlier this week it was doing around $30, and Tether is still at 98 cents, Litecoin at $30, and Cardano at 3 cents. Monero, I just going to add it on because it used to be a top 10 coin at $53. That's enormous, basically coming from $100 just a week ago. All right, let's continue with the news. So the SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce is saying that ETF definitely possible. So we all know that that's kind of possible. She came in to a podcast where the SEC Commissioner Hester basically commented that the future of cryptocurrency with ETFs is definitely possible. And she also talked in the podcast about, all commissioners doesn't have to be aligned to allow ETFs. So it's still going on somewhere in the background. I think in August of this year we saw Hester come in replacing somebody, and people had high hopes, but still at this point of time we are not seeing anything moving for ETFs as such. As the year is ending, it might be early 2019 or mid 2019 that the SEC might come with a decision. All right, so the next news comes from about a rogue developer who's compromised basically Bitcoin wallets. So a Node.js module called Stream is used in millions of web applications, including BitPay's source code for Bitcoin, for the Bitcoin wallet copay. So this rogue developer basically got this malware in, and with that basically it exposes your private keys. So this is obviously not good news, but more importantly is that copay this is open source, is used also by our friends at BitPay. So we're going to see anything happening out of here. We will see basically in the coming days or weeks to come what this is going to result. But it's confirmed. This malware was updated, and it's now, it can basically withdraw your wallet by exposing your keys. All right, so the next news comes from Reddit. Prepaid ADA or Cardano cards are available from tomorrow. This is from our Reddit post that the Cardano Foundation is basically issuing these just to get more adoption basically done. So I think this is very good news. Let's see how this is going to roll. All right, our last news for today is about UAE's Al Hilal Bank. Basically becomes the first bank to issue Sharia compliant bonds on a blockchain. So yeah, I mean, we've been seeing a lot of Sharia bonds basically here in the Middle East, but more importantly, Al Hilal Bank, which is a state-owned financial institution in the United Arab Emirates, is now come up with a sukuk, which is basically called a Sharia compliant bond, which is where the transactions will be done on a blockchain. So let's see how this is going to roll. I think yeah, it's a good thing, getting transparency in the game, getting some I don't know if it's decentralized, but more importantly is that they wanted to show that it is possible to do so. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.